Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into Activecampaign, a powerful email marketing and automation platform designed to help you connect with your audience and grow your business. Whether you're new to Activecampaign or just need a quick refresher, this tutorial will guide you through the essentials to get started quickly. Let's jump in. Once you log into Activecampaign, you'll land on the dashboard. Here you can see an overview of your account activity, including recent campaigns, automations, and contacts. This is your control center, giving you quick access to everything you need. Let's start by creating your first email campaign. Head over to the Campaigns tab and click Create a Campaign. You'll be prompted to choose a campaign type: regular, automated, autoresponder, split testing, or RSS triggered. For this tutorial, we'll select regular. Now, name your campaign. This is just for your reference. After that, click Next to design your email. Activecampaign offers a drag-and-drop email designer, making it easy to create professional-looking emails without any coding skills. You can start from scratch or choose from a variety of templates. Customize your email by dragging elements like text blocks, images, buttons, and more into your design. Once you're happy with your email, click Next. One of Activecampaign's most powerful features is automation. To set up an automation, go to the Automations tab and click Create an Automation. You can choose from a library of pre-built automation recipes or start from scratch. For example, you can set up a welcome series for new subscribers or a follow-up sequence for those who engaged with a specific campaign. Simply select a trigger, like when someone subscribes to a list, and then build your workflow by adding actions, conditions, and delays. Managing your contacts is key to effective email marketing. In the Contacts tab, you can import contacts from a CSV file, manually add them, or sync with third-party apps. You can organize contacts into lists, tag them based on their behavior, and segment them to send more targeted campaigns. Don't forget to regularly clean your lists by removing inactive subscribers to maintain a healthy engagement rate. After sending a campaign, you'll want to track its performance. Activecampaign's Reports tab gives you detailed insights into how your emails are doing. You can see open rates, click-through rates, bounce rates, and even which links were clicked the most. This data to tweak future campaigns and improve your email marketing strategy over time. Activecampaign also integrates with numerous other platforms like e-commerce stores, CRM systems, and social media. These integrations allow you to automate even more tasks and keep all your tools connected. Don't forget to explore the advanced features such as split testing, SMS marketing, and site tracking to get the most out of your Activecampaign account. That's it for our quick start tutorial on Activecampaign. With these basics, you're ready to start creating and automating your email campaigns. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and hit the bell icon to stay notified of our latest content. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.